so we got radiators with various sizes, starting 17-inch cores all the way up to 26. We're going to use the 26 for examples today. Beautiful radiator, lovely welding as one would expect from us. Really nice. Get the billet cap, the billet filler neck. Oh, look at that. So nice. Proform right there on the side of the tank. Pretty sweet. So guys get this and they're like, oh, okay, cool. Maybe I'm gonna get myself a shroud, you know, got some extra horsepower. No problem. We've got a bunch of shrouds to choose from. Check it out. We've got single, dual, and dual bracket style. Perfect. So, and these things, all three of them, integrate up here to our four-corner design perfectly. So you just get that like that. Everything's pre-threaded. The hardware's included in the box with the shrouds. Guys can build their system any way they want. And they can use someone else's fan. They don't have to use Proforms, but if they do use the Proform fan, everything fits just right. So this thing here, you put the little plastic piece on, it's all pre-threaded, mounts right up. Pretty sweet. So there's your accessories, but then you're like, wait a minute. Why do all this work? It's so overrated when I can get it pre-made out of the box. What? Check this out. Right out of the box, single fan with shroud, dual fan with shroud. Woo, check that out. Or dual bracket style. All kinds of space to breathe and all that. Thing is sweet. So, that's what's cool about the 1-2-3 system. You can build your system a la carte. Choose your radiator. Choose the shroud of your choice. Choose the fan of your choice. And build your system that way. Or you can say, you know what? This looks pretty sweet right out of the box. I think I'll just go with this. So, this is our new line of 1-2-3 radiators. Totally awesome, and we really appreciate the support. Thanks a lot. Bye.